Hello students, I am in the middle of nowhere. And I'm not actually going to tell you where I am because I don't really want you to come here. And the reason why is because on my little adventure here with my daughter, then we have found an endangered species. These are leafcutter ants. Now, I'm standing in one of the main mounds, and as you can see, they're not interested in me at all. And off they go out into the woods. And if I jump up and down, you're only seeing one of the different castes of ants. All right, so in this species, there are many types and sizes or castes of ants, even though they're all the same species. And what's interesting about this particular species, you see my foot, this is a size 11 shoe, so you can see the size of this mound. Well, that's pretty big, but this is not even close to the whole mound. So if we go down our little country lane here, you're going to start seeing multiple openings.
Yep, because it's all underground.
Right. So this mound is actually huge. It's all underground. These are the same ants that you see that we saw in that other mound that's presently. Anna, go stand on that main mound over there.
And also over here, that's a different cast of ants.
So you see that's pretty far away. And there's mounds even all the way out here, multiple openings. So from right there, where she was standing, to right here, however far that is, probably 40 feet, this is all an underground mound, and it's massive. And that leafcutter ant has got this beautiful pasture to work with, and all these forests of these post oaks and blackjack oaks. If you want to look those up, you can tell that I'm in an upland, a dry upland environment with frequent fires, and I know that just because of the species of plants that live here, because those are indicator species. They're closely linked to a certain type of habitat, a certain fire regime, a certain water regime. I know this is a very dry area, and because those are leafcutter ants, and I know that they must have sandy soil. The two are linked, that species and sandy soil types, and these blackjack and post oaks. It's all linked together. Everything's connected. So this is called what we call sugar sand. And it is a true sandy soil. There's almost no clay or silt in it at all. Oh, there's one of those leafcutter ants there. There's another one.
There's more right there, too.
Yeah, it's a big ant, but they're totally harmless. And believe it or not, that's not even the big one.
This is, Kellen was talking about this, how big its head is and how it carries the smaller ones.
See that? There's organic matter, but that's deep sand, deep sand.
Dad, look at this one ant. It has a huge head and it carries other ants.
Interesting.
Kellen was talking about it a while ago.
Now the soldiers of this species are huge. They're almost an inch long. Is that a fun adventure?
Yes.
Go out and have adventures and learn about the world. It's fascinating.